So, Paul, if I could touch on you, you've been one of my inspirations. What are you looking, if Nibs were to ask you, what do you want from this summit? What would be your answer to Nibs so that we can provide you what you're looking for?
Clarity. That's the outcome I'm looking for. Um, the XBRL that you introduced me to with Al Berkeley was something that is already an institution in the financial world. Um, the clarity that I'm looking for is for how we can transpose the success of XBRL in the publicly traded company world, and how that reporting happens to the SEC. I'd like this to be an effort that we have the clarity and the direction, with NIBS being the overall entity that's guiding along this standard, so that it could be implementable in existing workflows and potentially changing workflows. And this mass customized way of doing that is then going to take into account that the blockchain is actually a general ledger. Now you start to see why XBRL becomes a really, really big deal, because now all of a sudden I can actually do all transactions on every local project around the world instantly. This will also create a way of creating data that is trusted because of the immutable data way of how blockchains work. And I'm looking forward to hearing more about how people see the standard being used, because I'm looking to implement, like you said, not just have a PowerPoint with a really cool idea, and we can actually do something about changing the world. So it's good to see people that I've worked with since the beginning of my career in here. Roger, hello. It's one of these cool moments that we are seeing an alignment both outside of our industry and inside of our industry, that the transactional models of a financial services company that the world's never seen before is possible.